we're talking about anchor bolt pattern measurements. There's two common ways to measure an anchor bolt pattern. That would be bolt circle and bolt square. The most accurate measurement is an anchor bolt circle, and that would be measured diagonal across the square pattern, so from one corner to the other corner. And it's important to measure center of one bolt to center of the next, or left side of one bolt to left side of the next, or right side of one bolt to right side of the next. So in this demonstration, we'll measure from the left side of the far bolt to left side of the close bolt, and that is 11 1/4 inches. Confirming the opposite direction, 11 1/4 inches. If you have a light pole on your footing and you can't easily measure the bolt circle, you can also measure the bolt square, which is one side of the square pattern. When measuring a bolt square, it's important to measure all four sides of the pattern. They're not always square, and it's important to know the accurate measurement. So in this case, we'll measure the left side of the first bolt to the left side of the second bolt, which is 7 3/4 inches. Now I'll confirm the rest of them. 8 inches, just over 8 inches, and just over 8 inches. So given the average of this pattern is right at 8 inches, we'll use 8 inch as a bolt square measurement. Now to convert bolt square to bolt circle, simply divide the bolt square by 0.707 to get the bolt circle. So in this case, 8 inch bolt square divided by 0.707 is going to equal 11 1/4 inch bolt circle. Opposite of that, to take a bolt circle, multiply it by 0.707 to get a bolt square. When measuring a bolt pattern, it's important to measure the diameter or size of your anchor bolts to ensure that your existing anchor bolts are strong enough to support the light pole that's going on them. See our tech tip on this on our website. I'll put the link in the description below. If your existing anchor bolt pattern doesn't match your new light poles, check out our anchor bolt adapters. And if your existing anchor bolts are damaged or too short to properly install a light pole, check out our thread extenders. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and sign up for our newsletter for more information and videos like this one. Check us out online at lightpolesystems.com or give us a call at 714-786-8983. Light Pole Systems, specializing in light pole solutions.